Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So karon, I bought this Airpods sa Ayala. I bought this one because I was so curious kung saan ang Airpods. Yeah. Muna karon mag-unboxing ta even though na-unbox na siya. I already took off the plastic around the box. So I just want to share what's inside this box, okay? So, let's start na. Okay? So, first, you can see the front sa box, mo ni siya makita nimo ang Airpods. Ganyan. Ang iyang luyo, mo ni siya ang iyang case, iyang wireless case. Wireless case. So, karon mag-open na ta. Taren. Okay, so muna siya karon. So you can see sa dire, designed by Apple in California. Although made in China siya, pero yeah, tanamarong Apple made in China gid siya gikan. So kini siya, muna siyang suit niya, muning mga instructional materials. Basa-basahon, you can read this one like this. See, muna siya ngara how to connect iOS ana. But actually kining Airpods not only for iOS but you can also connect this one sa Android, so not only for iOS. Then napagilain, aside from that, there are also like kining mga another instructional materials di masabtan ang uban kay they're in different characters. And then after that, napagi last one sa kanisya palihag yapon the same thing sa mga instructional list. So, muna siya Airpods. So, now, let's go to our next. Oh, muna ni siya. This is our Airpods. Oops. Lugay ba tangtan? Okay. So, as you can see, covered pa siya plastic. So, tantangon na easy na siya to tangtang. Tangtang na. So, nani siya amo na yung wireless case. Yeah, once you open, it will turn green. It will turn green like that. So it two headset. Muna siyang wireless Airpods. Muna siyang right. Then this is also the left. And then aside from that, I put on the rig for a while. So aside ani, together with this case, is another wire or may siyang cord for Airpods. So, i-charge nyo siya today using this. But since naman pa extra charger, di lang ko na siya gamit. I won't use this. So, mara na siyang suit sa Airpods. So, karon, let's try to connect this one to an iOS device. So, for example, this iPhone, napagitay ko sa ka-iPhone dere. Ini. So they're both connected already. So let's see how does it work. Okay. So first, how sa ni siya i-unlock ha? Wait for a while. Unlock. So open na. So what are you going to do now? Go to your settings. Once yung settings sa imong iPhone, click. Wait. And then add to sa imuhang Bluetooth. Asa mong Bluetooth dire ano dai. Bluetooth. Make sure nga i-on siya kay it's off. Okay. So once nga ma-on, nakibutan dire. Once nga ma-on na siya, on na like this. Oops. You have to make sure to open the wireless case in my Airpods. Okay? So, ni-green na siya. You can see it's already green. So, in here, makita nimo ang Airpods. Kini. So, imo siya i-click. See? Na siya 100% ang duha ka headset sa Airpods. Yung case niya is about 95%. So, muna siyang timailhan nga puno na imong Airpods. Connection unsuccessful. Wala na ko natangtang. So, muna siya. Balik ko na pa ha. So, ma-connect na siya dira ron. Mm. Ako i-close balik. Close. Ako sa i-off. Off sa na to. Wait. Okay. On na ang Bluetooth sa iPhone. Then i-open ang imuhang AirPod. I-click AirPod like this. And then after na, tantawan mo right. So ready na siya itaod sa imong ears. So butang na siya AirPod connection sa siya. Namang gikuan laing phone. Dere, basin connected ni siya. Ato i-open ang usa ka phone, ato basin mo gamit to. Okay, connected, balihan mo sa connected. Ato ta sa, okay. Ato ta sa settings. Okay, this is another iOS device. Ato ta sa settings sa Bluetooth gihapon. So you can see na yung mga options, mga connections na already. So let's try to open this. Okay. Open na nato. Okay, see, nagyapon siya 100%. So let's try to get one AirPods. Ato connected ba siya dire? Yes, connected na gid siya. So na siya sound sa imong ears. So mo na to siya nagpamatuod na okay na, it's okay to use. Di gyapon siya makonect kan ka. Okay. Ando ka. Ako na to ando ha sunod para mo connected siya. Balik. AirPods. Okay guys, so already earlier I had a mistake. So actually I already used my, at that time I already used my Android, so nag-on ang Bluetooth. So this time I had to make sure nga it's already off. So now I prepared this iOS device here. So you can see I already opened the settings and we're in the Bluetooth section. So and then with this AirPod wireless case. So karon, let's click this one. It's so easy. It's so easy lang. So, and then after you can see na AirPods dire, open ni mo siya. Yeah, once it open, it will pop out here sa imong phone like this. So 100 ang duha ka headset. Yang wireless case is 93%. So just pull out the right side sa headphone. Then click ni siya. Oh, nag-connected na dito. So, click na siya. Click na. So, yeah, ready na siyang may use. So, we can click the other one. And we can go to our Bluetooth app. So, for example, this one. So, what ano siya sound? You cannot hear sound from this phone exactly. It's because na siya sa headphone sa imong dunggan. But once you pull out one of the headset, mo stop siya dire. So mo stop siya. Once mo stop, imo na pud siya i-play. Ana. So put back sa iyang case. Ana. Yeah, close like this. Automatic si Siri na. What can I help you? What will I help you, Siri? Ana. So just close it. Then if you want to turn off, mura siya i-off at ka sa settings balik, then turn off your Bluetooth. Then mana to siya mana, and then okay na ang AirPods. So guys, another helpful tip. So if you want to protect your AirPods, you should buy an AirPod case. So si Joanne ay motiwa sa iyong vlog later kaya nag-order man siya AirPods. So coming soon yung AirPods from Apple Store. Karon we're done. So I hope nga I advise to everyone right now nga not necessarily to buy AirPods kay this time we are in pandemic crisis. So our budget is limited only to our food. But if you have some extra, you can buy AirPods too, but not necessarily. Okay, so that's all lang guys. So I just want to share my AirPods, unboxing AirPods for the first time. So that's it. Thank you so much and see you again next time. Bye bye.